Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a charging test of the Micromax in Note 1. So Micromax Note 1 has a 5000 mAh capacity battery, and this device has support for 18 watt fast charger. So this is the bundle charger. You can see here this is 9 volt 2 ampere, 12 volt 1.5 ampere, that's 18 watt charger. So this is the one bundle with the box package, and we're going to charge this device with this charger. And right now you can see that it's like turned off completely, no battery left, so there is no battery left. And we're going to charge this device with this charger, and we'll see how much time it takes from 0 to 100%. We'll measure at around 15 minutes, 30 minutes, then 1 hour. So in between we'll be measuring it, and we'll see how much battery or rather how much time it takes to charge from 0 to 100%. So let's get started. So we just connected the device, and charging has started, and we have started the timer as well. So let's see how much time it takes. So next we'll measure at 15 minutes of charging, and then we'll continue with the charging test and see how much time it takes. So now we are reaching around 15 minutes of charging. Let's see how much battery the Micromax in Note 1 has. So 15 minutes of charging, and let's see the battery. So you can see here it's around 14% battery. So it's 14% right now after. So 14% after charging for around 15 minutes. So it's going very slowly actually. 14% right now after 15 minutes, so almost like 1% per minute. It's an 18 watt charger. It should take around 2.5 to 3 hours in total. But let's see how much time it takes. Next we'll measure at 30 minutes. So now we are nearing almost 30 minutes of charging. So before going to the charging, the battery percentage, let's have a look at the temperature. So you can see that 46.9, almost 47 degrees with charging, 47.5, 47.6. So almost it is closer to 48 degrees with charging. This is definitely overheating happening with charging. So you can see here very high temperature with charging. Almost it has reached close to 48 degrees. In fact 47.6 we are getting on the top area. Now let's also see the back panel. In fact, back panel is crossed 50 degrees. This is something which we never expected from any smartphone. We have been doing charging tests for quite a long time. This first time we are seeing the temperature reach almost 50 degrees with charging. This is something which Micromax has to look when doing quality control. This is a lack of any quality control. It's overheating and lack of optimization also probably. So this is not something which we expect from any brand, even if it is Micromax or any other brand. This is definitely not something which we expect. We'll also check the charging head adapter temperature. We can't show that in the video, but we'll just check the temperature on this. So this is the temperature it reported. So 49.2, almost 50 degrees on the charging head as well. So this is something we feel we might have to stop the charging in between if it is going above 50 degrees. So that is something which we don't want to do right now. So we'll also measure the temperature. Now it's around 31 minutes. So since we started talking, we didn't see the temperature, the timing. So 31.26, around 30% battery. So that's the battery. While we have around 31 minutes of charging. So 30% in 31 minutes. Next we'll measure at 1 hour of charging. So now we are nearing 1 hour of charging. So let's see how much temperature it has got. Now in between we tested, it got up to 52 degrees temperature. So let's see if there is any drastic increase in temperature. So the display is around 48 degrees. So closer to 49 degrees. So that's the temperature on the display. So 49.3 is the temperature on the display. Now next let's check the back panel as well. So back panel you can see 52.7. That's massive increase, and from 52 it has got to 52.7. This is definitely not looking good. 52.7, if you charge this quite some time, this will actually damage the battery with such kind of heating happening every time when you charge. 52.7, this is definitely not looking good. Now we'll also check the charger head. Charger head is around 51. In fact, 53 was reported on the charger head. So that's something which is not preferred. So let's see the battery right now. So 1 hour of charging, and you can see here 59% battery. In fact, let's have a closer look. We'll just decrease the brightness a bit. So you can see here 59% with almost 1 hour of charging. So it is going around with 1 minute and 1% is the charging speed. So let's see now at 1 hour and 30 minutes. So now we are nearing 1.5 hours of charging. Let's see the temperature. In between, actually, when I checked, it was actually throttling the charging. In fact, it was stopped charging and it reduced the temperature. So overheating is happening, and as a result there is a lot of throttling happening, and as a result the speed is reduced. Now it has come down to 40.7, and the display is around 41 degrees, 41.8. so that's the temperature. Now at 1 hour 30 minutes, close to 1 hour 30 minutes, let's see the battery percentage. So there you go. You can see 69%. So it reached 60% in 1 hour, and 1 hour almost next half an hour, just 9% increase it happened. So that's what I said, it is like throttling, and it has, in fact, it stopped charging in the first 10 minutes. After like 1 hour, it was just 1% increase. So it is throttling down because of the higher heat dissipated. It went up to 53.7, and then it stopped charging, and as a result the speed has considerably reduced, now around 69% in 1 hour of charging. So now we are almost at 2 hours of charging. Let's first have a look at the temperature. Now the temperature has considerably lowered. Now it's around the 40-degree mark, so which is quite okay. So it did have a bit of throttling happening. So now you can see here 40 degrees. So that's not bad. So overall, if you look now, the temperature has considerably reduced to 41.2, 42 degrees. It was above 53.7. It was around when we tested at 1 hour and 1.5 hours. So in fact, there was a bit of throttling happening, as I said before. It was reducing the charging speed as a result. And now let's see it around now we are at 1 hour 59 minutes. So let's just see the battery percentage right now. So you can see here it's now 85%. So let's have a closer look. You can see 85% at around 2 hours of charging. So we are just nearing 2 hours, or 1 hour 59 minutes. So around 85% in 2 hours of charging. Now let's wait for the complete 100% charge and see how much time it takes. So at 2 hours and 45 minutes we have seen, you can see that it is now 100% battery. So you can see here now it's 100%. This took around 2 hours and 45 minutes. That's a pretty long time for a 5000 mAh capacity battery. So with all those issues, it took around 2 hours 45 minutes. And there are some lot of quality issues in terms of the QC check. This shouldn't be happening at 53 degrees every time you charge. If the device goes there, the battery would damage actually, and this is actually not good for the device as well. So these are some issues which Micromax needs to fix. Just applying the anti-China card won't help them. These are quality issues which needs to be fixed, and we hope Micromax considers these things seriously before bringing any new smartphone. So that is a charging test of the Micromax in Note 1. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.